with their coach, Mr. Reyna Piniora.
Alright, so hindi nga nagkasarde ilang asumpot this afternoon. We have the players, the coach, and the officials from the municipality of Verdan.
Kaya po Evangelio.
Porter San Lorenzo
Evangelio,
versus
back to
Sultan.
season.
Battle Porter.
Compare again, and there's your foul. Foul committed. Rebound by Solion. Pass to Hampel, number 21. Kick back to Solion. No good. Rebound by Hampel. From back, block by Galon. Rebound by Galon, number 26. Pass to Takaisan, number 15. Takaisan. Takaisan. Pull up jumper. No good. Rebound by Siso. Siso, number 88. Pass to Evangelio, number 5. Evangelio. Evangelio drives. No good. Solion and back. That's the basket. Okay, to rebound by Tomarin. Tomarin, number 17, pass to Melanio. Melanio, number 2, sets a play. Melanio. Pass to Galindo. Galindo, number 23, to Galon. Galon. Nice pass to Tomarin, now good. Tomarin again. Tomarin, number 17, kick out to Galindo. Galindo, force. 3 points for Galindo. Rebound by Solion, on the pass. Steal by Melanio from Verdan. Melanio. Pick up to Galon. Force for 3. No good. And out of bounds. Same ball. Galon. Pass to Galindo. Galindo. To Gonzaga. Steal by Solion. Out and pass to Evangelio. No good. Rebound by Melanio. Melanio number 2. Melanio pass to Galon. Galon number 26. Pick back by Solion. Steal by Evangelio. Evangelio pass to Bargola. Bargola number 31. To Evangelio. What a move. 2 points for Evangelio.
16 all.
Score 16 all. Melanio. Pass to Galindo. Galindo pass again. Air ball. And out the bounce. Gamarcha. Gamarcha number 18. Gamarcha. Miscommunication. Galon. Pass to Melanio number 2. Melanio, back to Galon. Galon fakes. Galon looking for teammate. Pass to Melanio. Melanio sets a play. Sets a screen by Pomarin. Pass to Galindo. Back to shoot. Galon bars. No good. Rebound by Gamarcha. Gamarcha pass to Solion, number 29. Solion pass to Hampel. Hampel number 21. Galvin number 8. Pass to Gamarcha. Gamarcha number 18. Back to shoot. Gamarcha. Pass to Hampel number 21. Back to Gamarcha again. Fadeaway shot. No good. Shot clock is hit. Rebound. Out the bounce. Same ball. Pass to Solion number 29. In and out. Put back. And there's out. Seven to 2 for Hampel, number 21. Rebound by Hordan. Melanio. Melanio number 2. Pass to Galindo. Melanio force. 3 points for Melanio.
19-16. Balik sa Hordan ang abanse.
Gamarcha. Pass to Bargola number 31. Bargola first. No good. Rebound by Gonzaga. Gonzaga, pass to Melanio number 2. Melanio, too strong. Rebound by Bargola, steal by Galon. Nice pass to Pomarin and foul. 2 shots. Foul coming. Shots is awarded to Pomarin number 17. Remaining time, 4 minutes 29 seconds. 4 minutos, 29 segundos. For the second quarter. Score 20-16. One out of 2 for Pomarin.
20-16.
Tegalio. Pass to Gamarcha. Gamarcha number 18. Gamarcha pass to Tiberio. Tiberio fakes. Tiberio. Pass to Peñora. Pull-up jumper. In and out. Rebound. Team fouls. Milanio. Milanio number 2. Pass to Cordoba number 35. Selva. 3 points attempt. No good. Rebound by Gonzaga. And Tiberio. Pass to Gamarcha. Gamarcha number 18. Set the screen by Quezon number 10. Gamarcha first. No good. Rebound by Peñora. Stopping first. No good. Rebound by Gonzaga. Pass to Milanio number 2. Out and pass to Cordoba number 35. Cordoba. 2 points for Cordoba.
Cordova, 22-16.
Tiberio. Tiberio number 3. Pass to Gamarcha number 18. Gamarcha. Then the back pass to Quezon. Nice pass to Galve. 2 points for Galve.
22-18.
Milanio. Pass to Cordoba. Cordoba number 35. Cordoba. Cordoba drives. Kick out to Selva. Selva number 19. Deflect. Time to shoot and foul. 2 shots. Foul. Tiberio. Tiberio number 3, pass to Peñora. Back to Tiberio. Set the screen by Quezon number 10. Peñora, pull-up jumper. 3 points for Peñora. Selva on the pass, steal by Peñora. Galvin number 8. Pass to Galvin number 15. Tiberio. Tiberio number 3, guarded by Cordoba. Set the screen by Quezon. Tiberio. Pass to Quezon again. Nice pass to Galvin. Silva, pass to Paduhino. And then fake. Too strong. Rebound by Gonzaga. Steal by Tiberio. Tiberio number 3. Tiberio. Set the screen by Quezon number 10. Tiberio. Pass to Peñora. 3 points attack. No good. Rebound by Silva. Silva number 19 out and pass to Cordoba. 3-on-3 situation. Cordoba. Good tap by Tiberio. Easy 2 points for Paduhino.
Paduhino. 25-25.
Tiberio. Out and pass to Quezon. And out of bounds. Timeout. San Lorenzo. Cordoba. Again. And there's a 40 segundos for the second quarter. One of the 2 for Indention. Viva, San Lorenzo. Hampel number 21, pass to Tiberio number 3. Tiberio. Set the screen by Hampel. Tiberio first. 3 points for Tiberio.
24-26.
Selva. Selva number 19, pass to Cordoba number 35. Cordoba. Pass to Paduhino. Paduhino back to Cordoba. Nice pass to Selva. Nice pass to Gonzaga. No good. Rebound. Put back. No good again. Gonzaga again. No good. 5 seconds. Selva. Put back. No good.
Five.
And time.
End of
On
the
the
first
first
half,
half. Score
26-24.
26-24. 2.3.
Favor
Cordoba.
of Hordan.